And welcome on this video about the new features of the WordPress plugin for Easy. We introduced in the version 2 the possibility to save the data per user. If we take back the example we started in the last video, we can remember that we have this meal calculator that allow me to calculate how much calorie I'm eating during breakfast. And that's really personal. I don't have the same breakfast than my friends, so I would like to have my own data in the calculator. So let's give this calculator to Easy first. I'm loading the spreadsheet I just downloaded. And then I would like to have fixed widths. That's interesting. No tabs. Oh, really cool. Downloading the files and unzipping it. All right. Now I have a brand new installation of WordPress. Let's just install the Easy App Embed plugin version 2.01. I can add the calculator I just created in the media library. Select a file. That's it. Let's give it a title. Let's call it meal. And then tool Easy. I can see here down I have the list of the calculator. I just have one. And on top I have here this shortcode generator. So I just select the application I want. This is the only one I have, the meal calculator. This is a shortcode that I have to paste into the post before I'm clicking on this option to enable the saving option. Then copy, go to the page. I have meal calculator page. Just edit it, and yeah, then I already made an example. Don't tell anyone. Up now. So that's the shortcode I had updating. And now if I go to this page, it's pristine, and I can start to put stuff inside it. 21 banana for breakfast. What a breakfast. If I reload the page now, I'm just losing my data because I haven't done anything. But if I take my banana, say 3 banana, and I'm clicking save, then when I reload the page, my data are loaded. If I log out from the admin and then go back to this page where I have my calculator, what I can see is that the calculator is again brand new because I'm not sharing my data with anyone. So I'm the admin user, I have my own data. Now if I'll log in as, let's say, Jack, to my website, go to the meal calculator. I have as well my own version of the calculator because I have my own version of my breakfast with avocado and an egg. Saving my data, 400 calorie. That's cool. Now if I log out, data not shared. If I go back to the admin, a bit complicated, but there we have. And again, as the admin user, I have again my 3 banana, and I don't have a clue what Jack or John is eating for breakfast. So that's what this plugin, this new version of the plugin is about. It's every single user of your website has its own version of the calculator. And it's really powerful if you combine it with WooCommerce membership, for example. Then you can sell membership to access some pages of your website where you have those calculators that are per user. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't hesitate to post any comment or send any feedback about this WordPress plugin. And yeah, see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.